Hello student, this is the Sangeeta Mansukhani. Video number 124. In this video I will be start revision of the textual exercise question of chapter number 4. So question number 10. In a reaction between A and B, the initial rate of the reaction R0 was measured for different initial concentration of A and B. So A, B and R rate of the reaction. So initial concentration given, okay, like A concentration, this one, this B concentration, and then rate of the reaction R value. Then second one, this way value given, and third value. So three types of the different concentration are given and rate of the reaction given. So we have to find here given what is the order of the reaction. We have to find order of the reaction with respect to A and then B. Okay. So solution is, let's order of the A is equal to X and for B is equal to Y. So initial rate is equal to R0 is equal to K A power X and B power Y. So from the help of the given table, values given. So R value for first, because here 3 given, 1, 2 and 3, R1, R2 and R3. Okay, so from the help of given table we have to write R0 whole 1 rate given is equal to K A power X. So A value given this one and B value this given. Then R2 value this way, then is equal to K and then A value and then B value. Then third, rate of the reaction value is equal to K, A value and B value. So question number first, second and third. First we have to divide first and second. So R1 upon R2. R1 value 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 and divide by 5.07 into 10 to the power minus 5. R2 is equal to K divide K, 0.20 divide 0.20 power X, multiply 0.30 divide 0.10 power Y. Okay, this value cancel, so 1 is equal to this value also cancel, and 0.30 divide 0.10, so 3, so 1 is equal to 3 power Y. So equal the way, so here 1, that is means 3 power 0 in the mathematics rule according to the, so we have to write 3 power 0, so that is means 1, because equal the values, and 3 power Y, so Y value is equal to 0. Okay, then next third divide second, because third divide second, because first divide second, then third divide second. So third value is this one and second this one. This one A value and this one A value. B and B. Okay, so third divide second, so third rate of the reaction divided by rate of the reaction second. So this value of the third divided by the second rate of the reaction value is equal to K divide K. This is the A value power X. This is the value of the B, Y. Okay. Same. So cancel. 14.3 divide 5.07 is equal to, cancel 0.40 divide 0.202 power X, and this is 0.5.10 half power Y. Okay. Then calculate. Here you see Y value we have to find 0, so put the value here 0, so that is means half value is 1. Okay, any power 0, that is means 1, so this value is equal to 2 power X, so divide, then who is equal to 2x, and for the both side taking log, so log 2.820 is equal to power going to the front side, x log 2, then log value of this value 2.820, so value comes 0.4503, and x multiply log 2 value 0.3010. Okay, and x is equal to this value divided by 0.3010 and is equal to 1.5. Okay, if any question given of log, so I will give values. Okay, then x value come 1.5 and then y value come 0. Both the value put the in the rate constant, rate of the reactions, k is equal to a power x, b power y. So x power come 1.5 and y power y value come 0. So a power 1.5. So order of the reaction, sum of the power. So power 1.5 and here power 0. So 1.5 plus 0, 1.5. So order of the reaction 1.5. So first, whenever given any table, so first you focus the table. So from the table we have to put the values, and then whenever see second and first and second, this is the common value. So common value, so we have to easily find y value. Then third divide second, because we have to find x value, and then y value put. Then after x and y value come, so put the power in the rate of the reaction, and then sum of the power is the order of the reaction. Then question number 11th. The following results have been obtained during the kinetic studies of the reaction 2a plus b convert into the c plus d. 2a plus b convert into the c plus d. Experiment first, second, third, fourth. A concentration given, b concentration given, and initial rate of the formation given. So determine the rate low and rate constant. So k value and then r both we have to find by the table. Let's equation r is equal to k, a power x and b power y. Okay, so first value rate of reaction given. Here you see first r1 given 6.0 into 10 raised to power minus 3, and then a value given and then b value given. So one by one rate of the reaction, right? R1 is equal to this R1 value 0.1 a, 0.1 b, power x and power y. This is the first equation. R second, same rate of the reaction and then a value and b value. Third and fourth, same we have to write according to the table. We have to put the value. Okay, the first, second, third and fourth. Okay, here you see second and third 0.3 and 0.3, a value common. So from equation number second and third, r second divide r third. Okay, so 7.2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divide 2.88 into 10 raised to power minus 1 is equal to k divide k, 0.3 divide 0.3 power x and 0.2 power divide 0.4 power y. Okay, so this value calculate. Then here this value cancel. So 0.2, 0.4 half power y. Okay, then calculate. So 1 by 4 come. So here equal the ratio. So we have to write 1 by 2 power 2 and here 1 by 2 y. So y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 come. Then after here you see equation number first and equation number 4, 0.1 and 0.4, 0.1 and 0.1. Okay, so first and fourth divide. Okay, first and fourth. So first value given R1 and fourth value this one given. So k divide k, a value, b value and b value. Okay, then after calculate. So 0.6 divide 2.4 is equal to 1 by 4 power x, because here you see this is the value calculate. So 0.6 divide 2.4, because this value common equally 10 raised to power minus 3, and then here we taken so point decimal here left hand side move. So 10 raised to power minus 2 cancel is together. Then here this is the cancel way, this is the cancel, this is the cancel, on 0.1 divide 0.4, 1 by 4. So both the value equal. 0.6 divide 0.2.4, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 power 1 and 1 by 4 x. So x value 1. Okay, so y value is equal to come 2 and then x value is equal to 1. Okay, so rate of reaction is formula is k is equal to a power x and b power y. Okay, clear? So a power x, so x power 1 and then by power is equal to y is equal to 2. Okay, and then put the value from equation number first. R is equal to 6.0 into 10 raised to power minus 3 is equal to K. A concentration is 0.1 power X 1, 0.1 Y and power 2. Okay, then calculate K is equal to 6.0 into 10 raised to power minus 3 divide 10 raised to power minus 3. So answer is 6.0 mole inverse to liter inverse liter square minute inverse. Mole inverse to liter square minute inverse. Okay, this is the rate constant value. So first you have to put the value according to the table, rate of the reaction. Then first you see which value is common. So X value common in second and third. So second and third divide. Then after calculate the value Y find. So first and fourth, then see 0.1 equal. So 0.1 and 0.1. So first and fourth divide. So we have to find the X value, and whenever X and Y value come, so we have to again write rate of the reaction formula. R is equal to K, A power X and B power Y. So put the value from equation number first, and from first equation we have to find rate constant value K. Then question number second, the reaction between A and B in the first order with respect to A. First order with respect to A, that is means A power 1, and 0 order 2 with respect to B, that is means B power 0. Clear? Rate the reaction between A and B is the first order with respect to A and 0 order with respect to B. Okay, so A power 1 and B power 0. Okay, here experiment given, first, second, third, fourth. A concentration also given. So missing we have to find, fill in the blanks, and B also given and initial rate of also given. Okay. First we have to write rate of the reaction formula according to the question. First order of the concentration of the reactant A, R is equal to K, A power 1, and 0 order of the B with respect to B, so B power 0. For experiment first, R is equal to K, A power 1, B power 0. So A R1 value given, K 0.1 A concentration given, B concentration given. So calculate. So answer is come 0.2 minute inverse, because rate constant K value. Okay, then question number second. From first here you see A concentration, B concentration, R given. So from first we have to find K value. Then second, A we will be find, and B value given, and then R value given, and K already find by the first equation. Okay, so from equation number experiment number second, R value 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.2 K value, because formula is 0.2 value, B power 0, that is 1, and A power 1, and we have to find A value. A value out, going to the left hand side and then calculate. So A value comes 0. mole liter inverse. Then for experiment number third, A value given, B value given, and then initial rate R find. So simple, R is equal to K A1 and B power 0. K we have to find 0.2, put the value, A1 to find 0.2, and then B power 0. B power given 0.4, power 0. So power 0, that is means 1. Okay, and then 0.2 and K value, A value given 0.4 for the third experiment. So 0.2 multiply 0.4, so 0.08, and convert into the 10 to the power minus 2. So R is equal to 8.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 mole liter inverse minute inverse. Then experiment number 4, A value again find, and then B value given, and then R also given. So for experimental 4, R is equal to K A power 1, B power 0. R value given, K value 0.2, already we find. A value we will be find, and B power 0, B value given 0.2 power 0. So power 0, that means its value 1, and 0.2 going to the left hand side. So A is equal to this value, calculate. So 0.1 mole liter inverse. Okay, so from 4 experimental first, K value we have to find. For experiment second, A value, third R, and then fourth A. Question number 13th. Calculate the half-life of a first-order reaction from their rate constant. Calculate the half-life of a first-order. Half-life, that is means T half, and then rate constant K. So formula is first-order reaction T half is equal to 0.693 divide K. So first given 200 second inverse. So K value put up 200 and T half value come. Then 2 minute inverse. So T half is equal to 0.693 divide 2. So this value come. 4 years given time. So T half is equal to 0.693 divide K. So 4. So 0.173 year come. Okay. Question number 14. The half-life for radioactive decay of 14th carbon is 5730 year. And an archaeological artifact containing wood had only 80% of the 14 carbon found in a living tree. Estimate the age of the sample. The half-life for radioactive decay of 14 carbon is 5730 years given. That is means time given. K value given. So archaeological artifact containing wood had only 80% of the 14 carbon found in a living tree. So estimate the age, that is T find. So radioactive decay is first order reaction. So formula we have to apply. First order K is equal to 2.303 divide T log A naught upon A. Initial concentration of divide final concentration. So we have to find time. So T outside and then K going to the inner side. 2.303 divide K log A naught upon A. Because K given 0.693 divide T half. So put the value here. So 2.303 divide K value 0.693 upon T half log A naught upon A. Here 80% given. Okay. So and T half value given 5730. So 2.303 multiply 5730 and divide 0.693 log initial concentration 100 and final concentration 80 because 80%. So 100 initial and then final 80. So calculate the value and then value comes 1845 years. Then question number 15. The experimental data for decomposition of N2O5. 2N2O5 convert into NO2 plus O2. Okay. In gas phase temperature given are given below. So first plot against T. So you already know about reactant N2O5. Okay. And time. Again whenever graph plot between the reactant and time. So graph always decrease. Okay, so this graph is we have to find. Then question number 2, find the half-life period for the reaction. Okay, so initial concentration given 1.63 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so half of the concentration, that is means divide by 2. Okay. So find the half-life period. So half of this concentration 0.815 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this concentration match in graph, then time for found related with his concentration 1440 second. Here you see. .815 we have to match 0.1815. So we match. So 1440 second. Okay. So when this concentration match in the graph, then time found related with this concentration 1440 second. Okay. Then graph draw between the log N2O5 and time. N2O5 concentration and time. So N2O5 and time between we have to draw graph. So concentration decrease. Okay, so formula is k is equal to 2.303 divide t log a naught upon a. So its slope is reverse way minus k upon 2.303 because concentration this way and t versus we have to plot the graph. So minus k upon 2.30 obtain the slope for this graph. Question number 4, what is the rate law? Graph is a straight line between log n2O5 and time. So it is a first order. So rate law is R is equal to K N2O5 because rate of the reaction depend on the concentration of the N2O5. Then question number 5, calculate the rate constant. Okay, calculate the rate constant. Here value time given, 10 to the power minus 2 N2O5 concentration given. Okay, so this is not important, we have to do. Okay, because here we have to first one by one we have to find log value, and because in exam simple type of log questions are come. Okay, so this question it is not necessary to do. Then question number 6, calculate the half life period. So half life period T half is equal to 0.693 divide K. K value when the put and then 0.693 divided by the K value. So this is 1438 second come, and by graph value come 1440 second obtained. This is the difference. Okay. Question number 16th, the rate constant for a first order reaction is 60 second inverse. How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16th value? The rate constant for a first order reaction is 60 second inverse. How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16th value? So for a first order reaction, okay, formula is T is equal to 2.303 divide K log A naught upon A. So initial concentration of the reactant according to the question, initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16th value. So A is equal to A naught upon 16. This is the second equation. So A value put the in equation number first. So T is equal to 2.303 divide K log A naught, and A value put the A by naught divide 16. So this value cancel. So log 16 we have to put this way, and K value given 60. Log 16 we have to write this way, 2 power 4, and 4 comes in the front side. So 4 log 2. So 2.303 divide 60. So 4 into log 2 value 0.3010. You learn log 2 value 0.3010. Okay, so T is equal to calculate. So this value comes in second. Okay, so this type simple log questions are come, like here given log 2 value 0.3010. So this type of simple question values are comes in exams. Then question number 17. During nuclear explosion, one of the products is 90 strontium with half-life of 28.1 years. If 1 microgram of 90 strontium was absorbed in the bones of a newly born baby instead of the calcium, so how much of it will remain after 10 years and 60 years? And if it is not lost metabolically? Okay, so first we have to, because according strontium decay. Okay, so because calcium and bones related, and bones always decay. So according to the decay in half-life period, because half-life period given, so formula is K is equal to 0.693 divide T half. So T half given 28.1. So from this formula we have to find K value. Okay, we have to write this way, 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 year inverse. Then we have to find after 10 years and then after 60 years K value. A, concentration, how much percentage, how much calcium. Okay, so that means we have to find, we will be find concentration of A. Okay, so after 10 years and then after 60 years. After 10 years, quantity remain quantity. A naught is equal to 1 microgram. Here also A naught. And A we have to find. T is equal to 10 years. K value we have already find. So formula is K is equal to 2.303 divide T log A naught upon A. K value we find 2.303. After 10 years, 10 we put up. Log A naught initial concentration 1 microgram and A we have to find. Then log 1 minus log A. Then log 1 minus log A, that is means minus log A. Okay, this value going to the minus log A going to the left hand side, and this is value calculate 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 divide 2.303. Calculate, so this value come 0.1086, so minus. So depend on you take antilog, otherwise directly you write this value. Okay, your choice. Okay, so antilog of this value 0.78 microgram. Okay, otherwise you learn. Then after 60 years, same procedure, only for changes. Here T is equal to 10 years put up, and here T is equal to 60 years put, and same procedure. Then question number 18th. For a first order reaction, show that time required for 99% completion is twice the time required for the completion of 90% of the reaction. Here completion given 99 and 90%. And which order reaction? First order reaction. Okay, and we have to find time. So completion of the 99% one side you write, and completion of the 90% second one side you write. So T formulas of first order, K is equal to 2.303 upon T. So time find, so we have to write outer. So T 99% is equal to 2.303 divide K log A naught upon A. So log A naught 99%, that is means initial concentration 100. So A 99, 100 minus 99. Okay, so log 100 minus 99, that is means 1. So log 100 and log 100, 0 digit, that is means 2. So T 99% is equal to 2.303 divide K, and log 100, that is means value is 2. Then here T 90% is equal to 2.303 divide K log A naught upon A. So A naught is equal to 100, and then A value 90% completion, so 100 minus 90. 100 minus 90, that is means 10. 100 divide 10, that is means 10. Log 10 value is equal to 1. So T 90% is equal to 2.303 upon K. So this is the T 99% value, first equation, and this is the second equation. T 90% is equal to 2.303 divide K. Equation number first and equation number second, whenever divide, so T 99% divide T 90% is equal to this value put upper side, and then this value downside. This is the cancel, so only for 2 remain. So T 99% is equal to 2 into T 90. So hence prove time required for 99% completion is twice to the time required for the 90%. Okay, time required for the 99% completion is twice the time required for the 90%. And 2 times this question came in the board exam. Question number 19. A first order reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. Calculate T half. Okay, first order, that is with formula is K is equal to 2.303 divide K T log A naught upon A. So 2.303 divide T log percentage give 40 minutes given for 30% percentage. So initial concentration 100. So final 100 minus 30, that is 70. So log 100 divide 70, 0 to 0 cut. So log 10 minus log 7. Time given 40 minutes. Okay, so log 10 value minus 1 and then minus log 7. So value comes 0.1548. Okay, then calculate this value come. and this value k value t half formula is equal to 0.693 divide k. So k value we have to already find, so put the value and then calculate. T half is equal to 77.7 minute. Next question I will be explained in the next video. Thank you so much.